Okay, so there's my trail that enters the river.
Yeah. That is it. If you go any farther in there, you're getting taken out.
Yep.
We need that thing.
Yeah. Hell.
We got no windshield now. Get her done, boy.
You say, got him mighty down.
Got him mighty down. Hit it, boy.
Woo!
There, boy.
I got it Sunday.
Alright, whip it around. What's up there?
That's school property.
That's school property.
We don't want to go up there and fuck that shit up.
Whip it around, whip it around, whip it around. There we go, there we go.
Woo! Allie, you got your tea?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What was that?
That was the CB antenna going gone.
Alright,
Oh yeah, get on there, big boy.
I got another spot after this I just thought about. What's down there?
Oh, fence.
We need to figure out what's down there. Well, we can't because it's blocked up.
I want to see where the CB antenna flew to.
Alright, let's check out the CB antenna.
Come on, fat boy, let's go.
Oh, it's still on. We're good.
Hell yeah.
Are you recording?
What's that way?
Hi. Hi.
What's up?
Seatbelts on, boys.
Not mine.
I have no clue where the road is.
Alright, don't worry about it. There
I
we
see
go.
guardrail. Just
Turn
stay
the
left.
wipers on. Turn the wipers on. There we go. There's another truck coming up ahead. They're doing the same thing we're doing. Bad boy. They're recording it too. Just see a camera in the window. Look at all of them.
It's Tennessee, motherfucker. Can you say Tennessee?
Tennessee!
That almost looks like your daddy's truck.
What if that was your dad?
Oh, hell.
Pretty good right here.
Yeah.
What we got up here?
Oh, gosh.
Audio, Muddin, Tennessee.
Flooded ass train. What the fuck?
Watch it.
Yeah, I got him. Holy dog balls,
What
son!
are they doing on the just sitting there like that?
I hear you, audio. Come on back, more money.
Yeah.
At least my engine bay is gonna be clean.
What?
Rock horse.
Yeah, this is the rock horn.
Alright, we'll come back here later, but right now go to Cage Spin Road.
That's in Galveston.
I don't know. Straight across the street. So, you know where my bridge is?
Kinda.
Alright,
The
that's
first one we drove over, wasn't it?
that right there is perfect.
It is in Galveston. This is the Galveston Rock Quarry.
Yeah. There used to be a soccer field right over here too. I don't know if it's still there. It might be flooded.
I'm sure.
There it is.
Oh yeah.
I think the entrance is somewhere up here. I think it might be right up here. Yep, there's the parking lot. Entrance and all that.
The soccer field?